In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to send a snap on Snapchat without it showing as a media upload. Let's get started. So if you want to send photos or videos like a normal snap, just follow these steps. First, launch your Snapchat app. You'll land directly on the camera screen. At the top, you'll see a small down arrow. So tap on it to open the camera mode menu. Here, look for director mode or tap on the camera icon with a star if you don't see the label. Now go ahead and click on the option of import media. With that, your gallery will open up. Now from here, you can choose photo or video to send as a snap. So I have selected this one picture. Now click on preview. Now from here, you are able to make some changes. You can use different features of Snapchat to edit this. And once we're done, click on the option send to. Select the people to whom you want to send the snap. Once it's sent, you'll notice it shows as delivered and won't appear as a media upload anymore. And that's it. This is how you can easily send a snap on Snapchat without it showing as a media upload. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.